here's how you can go from this to this with just one change on your laptop. So let me show you how to fix that. So what you need is one of these, and this is a Wi-Fi 6E card that you can get on Amazon for just 20 bucks. And once you get it, all you need to do is take your laptop apart, put that Bible in, install these drivers, and enjoy your upgrade. And another important thing to note is, so you do need to do your research and make sure your laptop has a upgradable Wi-Fi card through the mini PCIe or M.2 slot on the motherboard. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so I'm not gonna waste your time by showing you how to take your laptop apart. But once you do take your laptop apart, we're looking at mine right here, and so that's the RAM sticks, and right there is the heatsink that goes all the way out, and in the middle right there is the Wi-Fi card, and that's how small it is. Actually, it's a small device basically. So all you need to do is unscrew that. So once you unscrew that, you do want to make sure you're keeping your screws in a safe place, and you do want to remove the antenna right there. So that's the antenna. So just remove the card and make sure you remove the antenna gently. And that's the old card right there. And yeah, we're gonna do away with this. I just keep mine around, but it's probably as good as trash. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And here is the new card. Got it from Amazon, and I'm gonna leave a link down below if you're trying to get one of those for your laptop. Sometimes you do put the antenna in and it doesn't feel like it's well fitted, even though it kind of is. But yeah, so yeah, put the Wi-Fi block and the screw. Some laptop manufacturers decide to cheap out on the version of their Wi-Fi cards, and they just put some inferior Wi-Fi cards in it. But thankfully for most laptops, you can swap them out for a good decent amount of money, and get really huge gains in download speeds, in my opinion. All right, there we go. And so yeah, once you're done, you do want to close up your laptop and test it. So I just decided to test mine before screwing it back up and test away. And there you can see the massive difference from what it used to be without the upgrade or without the new Wi-Fi card. And now here's what my Wi-Fi speed's like. It's a big difference in my opinion. So yeah, that's how you get faster Wi-Fi download speeds, by changing your Wi-Fi card on your laptop. Well, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.